Ever wondered what it would be like to see your face glow in the dark? Not like a ghastly specter, but a work of Meet Christina Alexandra, a makeup artist who dared to redefine traditional makeup concepts. Inspired by the bioluminescent world of Avatar, she adopted fluorescent paints to create a unique beauty. Her vision was driven by the desire to recreate Pandora's mystic world under black light. With this perspective, she embarked on her journey to create a masterpiece that would illuminate under black light, bringing the mystic world of Pandora to life. The process was no child's play. It was a dance of brushes and hues, a meticulous choreography transforming the human face into a radiant canvas. Fluorescent paints, absorbing and re-emitting light, caused a luminous effect. The magic began when lights went off. The face under a black light morphed into bioluminescent marvel, echoing the celestial world of Avatar. This artist's blending skill with science was a testimony to the potency of UV reactive. When this luminescent marvel took the internet by storm, it was akin to a supernova explosion. Quickly, the cyber world was rattled by the glow-in-the-dark Avatar makeup trend. Casual observers, makeup enthusiasts, influencers, and artists alike were captivated. The internet exploded with admiration and appreciation. Christina Alexandra, the brain behind the creation, suddenly herself in the spotlight. Her popularity surged, followers multiplied, and creations featured globally. This incident amplified her fame tenfold, with her follower count skyrocketing overnight and her creations being featured on multiple platforms. It was a clear testament to the evolving nature of makeup as an art form, pushing beyond the conventional boundaries and challenging the norms. As the grand finale unfolds, Christina Alexandra's Avatar makeup masterpiece sparkles in silence, casting a supernatural glow. Not just an innovation, but a beacon of untamed genius. This ethereal light has shattered convention, setting the internet ablaze and redefining makeup's possible realm. This new trend has inspired artists to redefine creativity. You ask about the internet's reaction? A loud ovation, a festival of admiration for a task brilliantly executed. Cue the dramatic music. Let the strobe lights flicker as we bring the curtains down on an act that has truly lit up the stage of artistic expression. But how did Christina create this glowing masterpiece? The journey begins with a vision, a spark from the imagination. She plans her design meticulously, sketching on paper before touching brush to skin. This pre-planning phase can take up to a week. She selects fluorescent paints, each hue chosen for vibrancy under black light. The application process is careful. Each stroke of the brush, each dab of color creates the intricate design. Then, dims, black light flickers on, artistry comes alive, glowing against the darkness. A testament to creativity and skill with glow-in-the-dark paints. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the unseen labor that births brilliance.